Hi, my name is Roger. I'm Sergio's assistant. I will help you understand today's lesson. It is quite simple. We'll be learning a bit more in depth all that Google Earth has to offer. As you may already know, Google Earth is a wonderful tool. Not only to travel around the world, but can also help us understand many more things in an incredible visual way. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Let's move closer. Here we are. Can you see Village School anywhere? Well, before I tell you where Village School is exactly, I want you to realize just how much information is in front of our eyes right now. You can clearly see where green areas are located. You can also notice populated areas and how they are divided. Let's see where Village School is. Here is where we are right now. Nothing interesting about it, unless I show you a different point of view. Now this is way better. This gives me important information to begin understanding the geography where we live. This is important so that we understand just how people in this area behave, and how they live. As you can see, we have a lot of green areas all over the place. This should tell you that water is abundant in this region of Guatemala. We can also visualize just how high our grounds are compared to Guatemala City. This makes it clear that weather in our area should be colder compared to the city. Remember that the higher the altitude, the colder the climate. Let's rotate our view and look towards the east. Here you can see some land higher than where we are. By now you should know that up here is not a nice place to live, simply because of the cold you would have to handle. Let's go back to our previous view. And now let's experience how it would look like if we looked from the city towards our region. Can you see just how high our territory is? Nice if you ask me. Now, before we do anything else, there is something I need you to learn. Let me take you back to the original Village School satellite view. I'm going to teach you how to use Google Earth in order to measure distances between two or more points. We are going to measure the distance between the two entry points to Village School. First we'll click on the ruler icon. This will bring up this window here. We'll focus first on the line option. Very simple to use. Just click on the initial and final point you wish to measure. The program will tell you automatically the distance between the 2 points. You can also edit the unit of measurement you wish to use. I'll choose meters for this example. I will now clear this in order to work on another task. This time I want to know how much a person that live in this residential area needs to walk in order to get to Village School's carpool area. In other words, from here to here. To do this, I will need to use the path option in order to be able to click on more than just 2 points. So let's click on the path this person would have to walk. So now we know that in order to get to village school carpool area, this person needs to walk more than 444 meters. So I hope you now understand how to measure the distance between 2 points, and also how to create a path and find the distance in total. And that is the end of our lesson today. It was very simple, don't you think? Well, it has been my pleasure helping you out today. I hope to see you again soon. Take care.